pesa tu kidogo.
Haiweki kazi tuendeleze.
Yeah. Unisha. The Shamber on this Isha. You know what it is, man?
Majestic drama. The Empire. The Empire.
Let's get it. Get it. Snare 5 flit anga check us. Not this was in a local and they check us. Put it in the bag. Check us. Check out your organ. Check us. Shorty got my kush. She put it in the past. Another roadblock. The searching in my bag. Nigga let go. I nigga wanna next. Ganda N1. Stepping on the gas. Shika fito shot your butter na me don't take. We tanga yo dio pakanga yo na zigonte. We vita shampoo tambanga yo na maboti. Clean na rukanda hacha toda na tiponzi. Ay bomba, ay funga. Ampasa yo nengori urafunda. Umpechera mitanjone ako kuta. Pamba njeto pamba na toyanga mifuda fara manjengabe. Manjengabe. Manjengabe.
Abatodi achifal, abatodi enamanda, bali itabangana, kani ani wane maanga. Asatodi achifal. Keep that fire burning. You're a king, you're a queen, you're a star. Keep your fire burning. Ooh, light your fire burning. You're a king, you're a queen, you're a star. Keep your fire burning. Ooh, light your fire burning. Don't look down anymore. Don't allow anymore. You can't give up anymore. You can't allow anymore. Abatanyere bunjesi babu kuma. Chabo uba umubamba. Tiba bomubamba. Tiba ombonyama. Tiba kongo nyara. Just keep your faith. I believe in you. Keep that fire burning. You're a king, you're a queen, you're a star. Keep your fire burning. Ooh, light your fire burning. You're a king, you're a queen, you're a star. Keep your fire burning. Ooh, light your fire burning.
Cheza na muliro ndayofunga. Mwando macheloni nichifunga. Bora mafungo bato nifunga. Nisongo posa tabula na dihunga. So you gotta be whatever you wanna be. Say what you mean and be where you wanna be. Kani hope for me nini kudishava mi. Wose taka ini banji mupakatini. Kona niza sini mashaka amudini. Banji barwa chinwi musini kakatini. Bamukolera unga halili. Yafo baba mbili ya sisi. Bono tulabo mubamba. Batulaba ya muamba yoyo. Bono tulabo mubamba. Abatodi anamanda.
Fire burning. You're a king, you're a queen, you're a star. Keep your fire burning. Ooh, light your fire burning. You're You're a king, you're a queen, you're a star. Keep your fire burning. Ooh, like your fire burning.
Yeah. Yo, difficulties, and yo, sorry, we had difficulties via time and also technicality difficulties. So yeah, whatever it is, my name is Nexon Maboga, and I'm coming back until this podcast is what it's still the best. So on the background there I have Jodiana featuring MizoPhyll, Fire Banning, and before that I had Mbanjenga back. Yeah, Mbanjenga's the bag, yeah. So it's like a double up though, you understand? Mbanjenga bag, yeah? And after that it's Jodiana featuring MizoPhyll, Fire Banning. So whatever it is, né? MizoPhyll is a gatekeeper, the king of Van Bap in Limpopo, South Africa. The whole world, really, man. Not even the universe, the whole world, even the galaxy, né? All the Milky Way, né? So whatever it is, né? So today it's all about the king Phil. It's a PhyllSpecial day. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna play you the next joint. The next joint adds King Nene, and Two Bits featuring MizoPhyll. It's Evangelible is what is MizoPhyll featuring what MizoPhyll. Evangelible, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it.
midzimu isiri tinga gwadameri vachitoda chikavero watinganikeri uri vupeloni bondichire rusaperi musara unowatalesa vaedeni vasava zino vakopfurwa nga mapeni vakodovorora bukaki ya edeni ungari vono angwa ivangeri ende muvuse wa sisi ya ubaderi fayamanyagat ivangeri tinganyamupusha ivangeri ndidoipusha panona seri Yo, ya muzimu ndaera ndapeta uri future generation isadokhera kapata nkawenda bareri ila buguntu ndababareri babi bachilukazwa babareri ende zibiza borikosi bareri ungari bono amoriyere ya barindera ende ya unane ya dobarirera yo ndarima wiyo muzimu ndi muru waburiwi natini na motima tuwi ngorindi ngaita zvisaitiwi ivangeri vavi vakudzumba ivangeri ngamifango yavo vatingavhangeri zvitavero zvavo vatinganikeri tingagwadameri fayamana gati vangeri fayamana tichi vangeri adamen ivi vangeri baswa babdo ifa ivangeli bakati banga muranga toto mababono ngati baboni bakotonyita toto nasaboti gwadame maruku machena atona bonera panda ndonobona hune swadokuma. All I do is just sit down and start looking for my place. A lady, a minded kid who only knew is on the race. I knew where I was going cause I believe in God's grace. Now they recognize me when they look into my face. If I get in this chiba piece and if I get zanga basel. This chigonya atichado ta no can tell. This chibo suka tozin in that takusaka sell. Hollywood is music to my ears and nikunta sell. Fireman of God evangel. Fireman I teach evangel. Fireman they bring evangel. Fireman ivangeli vavi vakudzumba ivangeli ngamifango yavo vatingavhangeri zvitavero zvavo vatinganikeri tingagwadameri fayamana gati vangeri fayamana tichi vangeri adamen ivi vangeri vaswa vado ipfa ivangeri tenda vaswa vapfa anomatuva vaswa vapfa anomatuva vaswa vapfa tenda vatuva vaswa vapfa tenda vaswa vapfa tenda vaswa vapfa tenda vaswa vapfa tenda vaswa vapfa.
So that's one of the tracks that It goes deep. It talks about the evangel is happening there. The youth is going the wrong way. The youth is going the wrong way. The youth is going the wrong way. So yeah, whatever it is now, it's still Naki. Like send on my blog on SABC5. Get us on Spotify. Get us on YouTube. Get me on Facebook. I'm at Ventilation Naki Mabago. And on Twitter, we're at 5_SABC5. Yeah, _SABC. And I had a chat with Phil on a voice note. Like, yeah, tell me what you think about the internet. It's like, yeah, that's what's happening. So I'm going to play you that voice note. Ne? And after I play that voice note, after that, I'm going to give you a track. Ne? The Cody K featuring MizoPhyll. Being a believer, and one thing that Phil is a believer. And after that song, I'm gonna play a beat from the track that just dropped a video today. That's Vendor Wave, and I'm gonna be like signing out, guys. I'm sorry, I'm gonna like say goodbye now. I don't want to say goodbye now, but yeah, guys, I love you, now. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. So this is the voice note that Phil is telling me how it is.
The fore internet you to Sangamanda now.
Oh, okay.
We are all connected. You know, as soon as you connect to your internet, you are connected to the World Wide Web. You know, you are connected to everyone. So it helps you not only connect with the people around you, but also the people around the world. And also, even it also help distribute ngamanda the product zari nabane ndono rikule na bamwe bathu bane baba maybe in the metropolitan cities. So especially the brands ndono rizikwaluwa because of that as well. So yeah, nanga to sidzangamanda zwa zwino the celebrity zashu dzikobva from the internet.
Yeah. Man, I pray for all them good things. Follow my back while I'm grinding. I mean them cash full of bags, them bitches want my back while I'm spending my money. Yeah, believer. Man, I am above competition. Yeah, believer. Nigga, I am bring your confusion. I mean I said I'm Kenya. I mean I said I'm Poster. Believer. I mean I said I'm Kenya. I mean I said I'm Poster. Believer, yeah. That's what I pray for. For my success, mama pray for. Kasiba Butisa what I wait for. But in the meanwhile that I work for. Follow me, make them follow me. Money, more money, make them follow me. Calling the girl, calling me. Taberon rose to move my money. Chacha bless her when the bingy man I pray. The pretender wanna go after the pray. But in never the bed is when I pray. I pray and I pray and I pray. I pray for them.
Nintaka zeradi na nakita.
Follow my back while I'm grinding. I mean them cash full of bags, them bitches want my back while I'm spending my money. Yeah, believer. Man, I am above competition. Yeah,
Nintaka zeradi na nakita. Nintaka zeradi na nakita.
Nigga, what you see, it's what you get.
Don't worry about nobody. Work God down everybody. When you spend your money, make sure you get funny. Don't wait for nobody. Begging now. God very fresh to your sister. I keep on praying for my sister. I make you praying for my brother. I feel so proud when I make you fly. Don't take me down. Fly. Make a head and don't take you down.